How stunning are these canisters which I created? If you want to see how I create these beautiful pieces, stay and let us jump in. If you are a subscriber already, thank you for being here. If you're not, go ahead, press the notification bell, and let's jump straight in. These are some canisters. You can get them from Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree, Amazon, wherever you desire. What I did is just take the covers off. I have 3 different sizes because that's what I want. If you want it to be the same size, you can choose that. Your style, your float your boat however you want to. So I just take the covers off, place them aside, and I use this metallic gold paint from Rust-Oleum. I gave them 2 light coats and outside. On the container itself, now what I did is use the painter's tape, and just to have a similar spacing, I used piece of tape, the same size of tape, between the tape that I place down, so I can have this exact or similar spacing on the canisters. So right here, I'm just going ahead, placing the small piece of tape, and then putting the other piece straight down so I can have the desired shape. You can put the tape however you want. If you want it around, you do it whatever you desire, but I wanted the design to be down instead of going across. But I'm going to do some more canisters, so stay tuned and you'll see different styles of canisters you can do. I get a lot of questions about how I do my ombre styling spraying, and I'm going to show you just now how I use the frosted paint. And different frosted paint give you different look at the end result. So what I'm doing is just spraying the center with the gold lightly and just turning it around and around and just keep on going like that. But if you want, it depends on the look you're going for. It depends on what you want to use, because there are different type of frosted spray paints. I use different ones for different DIYs, but for this DIY I use this one. So I went over, I gave it 2 coats of the frosted, and now I'm going back on the gold because I want the gold to be popping more. I don't want it to be like frosted. I want the gold to be shine. So that's what I'm doing here, going all around, giving it light spray paint, making sure everything look frosty, and then go up back again. So this is what I'm looking, and then I use the glaze, top it off, and removing the tape. And you see how crisp my lines are, because how to get these crisp lines, you have to press the tape in closely so you can get a straight edge, so the paint don't spill over. But in this style, because I'm going to add the gold tape, it would have been fine even if you come over, but just this is an idea how you can get your crisp lines. So this gold tape, metallic gold tape, sorry, I have it linked in my Amazon store. So I'm just taking it down, following the line that I have, the edge that I have here, just like this, pressing it firmly. I'll make sure you press firmly so you can get it gripped perfectly. So just taking my time, going over it, just like that, pressing firmly, making sure it's smooth and nice. It take a little bit of time, but just be patient and you'll get it done too. So I love it. I'm loving it already. I hope you do. And remember, if you're not subscribed, go ahead, subscribe. A lot more DIYs coming. I heard you guys. So I'm going to be putting out more DIYs here. And if you're not following me on Instagram or Facebook on Glam with Isis, go ahead, and TikTok, go ahead and do that after watching the end of the video. These crystal gems I have from link in my Amazon. They are self-adhesive, and I just cut it down in strips and place it on the tape itself to give it, to even pop the tape even more. And that's what I'm doing here, and it's coming out so beautifully. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Don't forget to put like it if you like it. So you see how beautiful the ombre is, because that's been going over, and light spray paint, guys, light. And sometimes you have to be from a distance to go ahead and get the ombre effect that you want. It takes time. It's not going to be happen one time. And then with the covers, what I did, gel the hole, zoom, 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 just like this. I didn't measure anything. I just estimate where the middle was, and it came out perfect every time. So I'm just gelling the hole, and bam. Take my nubs, which I got from Home Goods, screw it in, and this is it, guys. I just placed the covers on, and I was here thinking, what should I do? If I should leave the cover just like this, add a piece of tape on the cover, add some crystals. So this is what I'm trying to see how it's gonna look. So I here again pressing firm on the tape, and I'm liking the tape on it. It's, you know, you just give it that pop. You just bring the bottle join, looking really nice. Everything just look cohesive. Cut it off. And here I was wondering, which I took a poll in my home to see who liked the bling on it more or who didn't, but we decided to take the bling off. I think it was a bit too much. Some would like it with it, some didn't like it with it, but I think it was a bit too much for my taste. But if you want the bling, you can put the bling on the top of the edge right here and on the bottom of it. That will look really nice also as a perfect complete set, but I like it just like this, and came out now really beautiful. So press it in, because you remember it's self-adhesive, so you don't have to use any glue or anything. It's already sticky. Press firm, and bam, that's it. That's what I'm talking about. Came out perfect. You could style it in your bathroom, you can style it in your laundry, you can style it in your pantry, you can style it on your cupboards, wherever you desire you can style it. But that's it, guys. Like, share, comment. See you on the other one. Hope you like this DIY. More to come. Let me know what you want me to do, and I'm out. Subscribe.